Hiya, it's Bill. Today I'm going to be talking about my August update. So stick around and I'll show you around. I just want to start by saying I use Enviromesh to protect my seedlings as well as keeping the pigeons off. As you can see, this was my potato bed and now is a new seed bed, and what I've created is many lines of carrots, and carrots are a bit like iffy with germination, but I've been watering them frantically every day. So let's have a look at the peas. Absolutely fantastic, these peas. And you see the white butterfly having a little look at them. So they're growing up nice. I've got the turnips. They're going fantastic, but I seem to have a lot of problems with turnips. I think they don't like the sun, you know. So I'm hoping that they'll get going if I transplant them into a final position. They should sort of grow quite well, but there's lots of little weeds I've got to pull out. Lettuces hate this sort of really hot heat, so they've been suffering, but it's been giving me good chicken food. And these thistle seeds are flying absolutely everywhere this year. Sunflowers are doing fantastic. Sorry, the light levels are like all over the place at the minute, as you can see. Onions are doing fantastic. They're not. These are winter ones, so these go over winter, so they've got a good kick start there. Look, if you can see them all the line there, they're perfect. And a few sort of potatoes that was not saved from last year. I've created this bed that was a sweet corn bed. We've got an escapee tomato, so God knows what tomato that is. It's probably one we bought out of the shops from last year, and the chickens excreted it into the compost, so that's it. The strawberries have gone to rubbish, but that's fine. You know, I need to sort that out. The leeks are doing really well, nice strong things, and it's worth going to the supermarkets at this time of year, because you find these really bargain leeks, onions and stuff. I think these were like 60p. So that's a bargain, and they were tiny when they started. Just keep watering them and put them in the final positions deeply, and they're perfect. Look, they're going nice and strong, so I'm pleased with that. We bought a Blackberry Bush, a thornless one, so that's nice, isn't it? I got that on a reduced £3, so not too bad, was it? This is my pink lady apple tree, believe it or not. It come to me like a little twig, grafted twig, but that's growing really nice. And the apple tree next to it is a crab apple. It needs that to pollinate it. No gooseberries yet, but the gooseberries bush has been growing absolutely fantastic. Rhubarbs are brand new this year, so I'm not expecting much this year. So with rhubarb, you mustn't pull the rhubarb on the first year, and the second year take a little bit, so it's one of those sort of stages. Not much on these trees, they're a little bit sort of brassic, but I can't believe this tree here. You can see how bent over it is. The apples have been fantastic. I mean, look at that apple, look at the size of my hand, look. They're fantastic, they're so delicious. We've harvested quite a few. I mean, look at this one here, look. Absolutely fantastic. Sorry for the light levels. Look how beautiful it is. Fantastic. So I'll be doing some tips on growing apples, as I found a little tip there. So get subscribed today, because you never know. I've created a hedge along this area here, just because it was hedged, and I just like the privacy, and it stops things from blowing in and stuff. So got a privet hedge there, so that's been good. This is the Bramley apple tree. That's growing fantastic. Look at them apples. I can see this doing really well, this one. I've been putting the chicken poo on the bottom, you know. And it's another apple. Fantastic. Another apple there, look, bending on the floor, so that must be getting heavy. And this one, I'm not sure which this one is, because the label's gone, and it's not produced an apple yet, so we're not sure what that one was. Pumpkins are doing fantastic. I've got 2 pumpkin plants that were saved seed from someone else's pumpkins, and I don't know what variety they are, but they look quite nice, don't they? This is another one here. I don't know if that's going to go orange. It looks like yellowy orange, don't it? So maybe. But that's growing absolutely fantastic. It's growing all around this tree that's all scrubland that I've cut all back. But and look at them dahlias. Absolutely fantastic. I love dahlias. The irises, I only planted these in the spring, so that was brilliant. They've all started popping out. Must be the chicken poo that I put down. Look at that. Fantastic. Look at this, look. Wow.
Take a picture of my bike.
Take a picture of your bike? Yeah, I'll take a picture in a minute. Look at this rose. This rose here is a David Austin rose. It smells beautiful. And it looks like that, look. Look how pretty that looks. And my hanging baskets are doing fantastic. They look good. I need to deflower these, debud these. Here the cabbages are doing absolutely fantastic. Oh, Lily, say hi to everyone.
Hello.
What are you doing then, Lily? What are you doing? Farmer Lily? Taking her baby out? Oh, right, okay. Yeah, the cabbages are doing absolutely fantastic, if you can see, look.
Hi, cabbages.
Hi, cabbages. Well, I hope you like that video. Give it a big fat thumbs up, comment below, tap. You know you want to. I'll see you in the next one, thanks. Bye-bye.